Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to load data from one table to one flat file. So here I make this particular table as source. So this is EMP table. In this particular EMP table having 5 records. I make this EMP table as source. Then I will load all this data into flat file. So for this one, first we need to create one mapping. So for this one, go to Cloud Data Integration Service. Before going to create mapping, first understand what are the connection exit. So how we are loading this data into target. So here go to connections. So actually I already create these connections. Okay, so this connection is SRC. Okay, so based on these connections, whatever tables exit in this particular SRC schema, we can access it. In this SRC schema, I take this empty table as source and I will load all this data into this particular flat file. So this is target folder. So actually I will load that particular file into this particular path. It means I want to load that particular file into in this particular path. Okay. So now go to cloud data integration. So choose new option here. Once you open your working folders, click on new, choose mappings, click on create. So now first we need to set up source. I don't use any external transformations here. Just I use this source transformation, target transformation. Just I make it as a one-to-one transformation, one-to-one mapping. Okay. So choose source. So first provide mapping name here, m_, table to flat file. Okay, so once you provide mapping name, select source, go to source. Here we need to provide that particular source connection information. So I already create this particular connection. Select this option, then choose object. So actually I need to refer this EMP table, right? So here I make that particular EMP table as source. Select this EMP table, click on OK. So now we need to provide the target information as well. Select this target. So go to target option, choose that particular connection. So this one, then provide object name here. If you click on this particular select option, it's navigated to one more page. So here, if you have already file structure exit in this particular path, we need to take that particular file, or we need to create one new file at runtime. So select this option. So initially I go with the static file names only. Later I will explain how to generate dynamic file names. So provide this name as EMP. We need to provide an extension. Either we can generate flat file as .csv, xlsx or .txt. So we need to provide that particular extension. Here I need .csv file. So that's why I provide .csv. Click on OK. So here this particular mapping is done. Okay, next step is we need to validate this particular mapping. See, it become a valid. Just save it. Now we need to select this mapping name. Go to mapping task. Then provide name as mct underscore followed by mapping name. Select runtime environment. So click on next. So again we need to validate here. Then click on save. See, click on save. So once you save this particular mapping configuration task also ready, then simply click on run. So once you click on this run, go to monitor. So just refresh here. So initially this status is starting now queue status. After that, if you refresh again, now it's going for running status. So let's wait for some time. Once it got succeeded, go to target path. See, this particular FFEMP gets loaded. If you open this particular file, now see whatever data exit in this particular EMP table, all that particular data gets loaded into this target file. So this way we can load one table data to one flat file. So this is CSV format, right? If you want to generate different format file, I will show you now. Go to again this mapping. Okay, choose target. Now select here. So instead of .csv, just make it as any required extension. Okay, so I need .txt file. So instead of CSV, now again click on save. Now go to monitor, again restart. If you click on this option, automatically this particular job gets restarted. Click on restart. Now again it's restarting. Initially starting status, then queue, after that running status. Now it's going for succeed status. Now go to target path. See, .txt file gets generated. If you open this one, see all this data gets loaded into this particular flat file. So based on this extension, we can generate based on our requirement format. Okay, so if you have any queries, please post your queries into comment sections. I will provide update on those particular comments. Okay, so if you are first time visitor, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, so I will create some more videos, okay, on ISCS. So if you have any queries, please post all your queries into comment section. So that's it guys, thank you.